Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, I will share how this website pays you up to $100 per day, literally for clicking around and browsing around just for using them. And I will show you step by step how you can do it without your own website, without your own content, your expertise, experience. Literally, even if you are a beginner, you can start earning today. But at the middle of the video, I will share how you can turn it into $300 to $500 a day. And if you stick to the end of the video, I will share a bonus method that you can use using this formula. And you can use that bonus method with any other ways to make money online and scale it up to $1,000 to $2,000 a day. And that will come with a free software of mine, but you have to watch till the end of the video. Okay, now, I highly recommend you use your own website. You don't need it, but in case you use your own website, that will be awesome because your own website is your asset. Your own content is your asset. But in case you don't have your own website and content creation is hard for you, of course, it's hard for everyone, then consider Maven. Link is in the description. Maven literally hijacks any content around the web and turn it into your website, into your content in just a few clicks, 100% newbie friendly, 100% legally. Okay? So, link is in the description and let us begin. By the way, do you like our videos? If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. So, let's begin. We are on Aticlix.net. First, you have to register using this red button. Add your full name. After adding your full name, write a unique username, put your email address, confirm email address, password of your choice, and confirm the password, your birth year and birthplace. Then use the CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. Use this checkbox and click register. Once you are done, you will get a welcome message. Now you have to log in using your username or email and correct password. Then make sure to check this box to confirm you're not a robot and click login. Email didn't work, so we used the username and it worked. Now this is basically an ad. Now you have to click this blue button to go to your account. Here you get all these options to upgrade your account, advertise now, survey, daily offers, daily surveys, and paid to promote. Go to dashboard and you will see all your details, how much money you can make or how much money you already made. This is a new account, so everything is showing 0. You can upgrade your account for faster and better results, but if you're just starting out, the standard or the free account is good enough. Income potential is a bit low, but it's a good one to start making money with. Once you start growing and you're confident, then you can invest more money to make money faster. All these details of different packages are here. If you want to upgrade, you can use this button, or if you don't want to upgrade, just hit cancel. Now you can make money using all these different options. All are easy and most of them are just clicks, drags and drops, and literally nothing else. So paid to promote option is good because it pays you more. You get a referral link. When you send clicks to this link, they will pay you as per their quota. This is an ad that came from the referral link. Now another option here is just go and click this button, click and earn. These are surveys, and you can see on some surveys there are ratings. From these ratings, we can understand that the surveys are good and they are paying. All these people made money from these surveys. I just entered a survey. It's literally choosing from multiple choice questions and just click and then click next. Click the next question, answer, and click next page. Go to the next question, reply, and go to the next one. Simply select the answer and click the next page. These are very simple questions. Literally take 1 or 2 seconds to answer. And once you are done, you get paid. Simple. Did you like this video so far? Please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. Now, how much money do you think you can make from this system? In my honest opinion, you can easily make $100 to $200 a day working all by yourself. But if you really want passive income without huge work all by yourself and you want to scale it up, you need to think different. Instead of working all by yourself and making money all by yourself and keeping all the money for yourself, think about others who also need money and who are ready to work for you for the money. So there are countries in the world where US dollars are expensive. They will work 8 to 10 hours a day, and together 5, 6, 7, 8 people will generate $700 to $800 a day together as a team member, as a team, or as a family. They will generate all that money and you pay them $200 to $300 a day. Now you might be thinking, why would they work for you? Well, they can work for themselves. Well, the thing is, these are the people who are ready to sell their time for stability of income. Because they are generating a lot of money, you can keep them for a long time, even if your income goes low at some point. Let's say one day the internet is not working, and the other day the website is not working. So someday the things will not go as planned, but these team members will keep getting paid, and they are getting paid in US dollars. That is very expensive for them. So you will easily find people who will work the whole day for you for $10 to $20. And this way you can have 10 people working for you 10 hours a day, and you pay them $200. But together their work will generate $500 to $700 for you. Easy peasy. Well, you are not working, you are managing a team, or you can say a family, managing a family, while everyone is working for the family and contributing for the family, generating money for the family, and taking everyone's fair share. That's it. That's how we do it. That's how we scale our business, and we scale our business. Think about others, feel for others, and give them training. Well, if someone leaves your team or leaves your company, so what? Be proud of them that they found their own way. They learned from you, they took benefits from you, and they found their own way. They become entrepreneur. So you actually created entrepreneur. When you have this system in place, you will always replace the people who are not the right fit for the team, or who will just leave the team, and you will never stop your income. So that is how you generate passive income and scale up quickly. That's how we do it, and that's how you can do it too. By the way, do you like our videos? If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. So let's begin. Now the bonus method, traffic. You can scale up this income or any income with more and more traffic. For that, use Pinterest. It's literally the best and the easiest way to get traffic. All you need to do is to find your niche and follow your niche leaders. What type of images they are posting, what kind of keywords they are using, and simply pin your images on Pinterest, and I will show you what is possible with Pinterest. Now, the best part, link in the description will give you a software that will help you get massive Pinterest traffic fast. Go get it, it's 100% free. This is a website called mungfali.com or mungfali.com. It's really just a search engine. People use this to search things, and mungfali.com has 9.69 million monthly visitors. Super awesome, right? But what's more exciting is that the traffic is growing, and 82% traffic is from social sites, and 99% of this social traffic is from Pinterest. So again, a link in the description will give you a software that will help you get traffic in this method. Go get it right now. Use that traffic with our method or any other method, including affiliate marketing or selling your own product, selling your own courses, CPA methods, list building, or anything at all. Did you like this video? We put a lot of effort on it. We wanted to make sure you start making money, whether it's $100 a day to $200 a day or even $1,000 a day. You literally can make money if you start today. And if you like our videos, please like this video, switch on the notification bell button, and hit subscribe. So next time you will be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video, and we will see you in our next video.